Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Ikram and today I'm going to present about the music management system using Python language 3. Today we're going to explain about the functions for music management system. The first function is the read data function. The read data function reads the data from the file and returns it as a list of dictionaries. Here's how it works. The function defines an empty list called data to store the music collection. It opens the file, specifies the file name variable in read-only mode using the with open statement. It reads each line in the file using the read lines method and stores them in the lines list. For each line, the function splits it into fields using the split method with the symbol delimiter. The function defines an empty dictionary called entry to store the song information. It loops through the fields and adds them to the entry dictionary with the corresponding column heading as the key. The function appends the entry dictionary to the data list. If the file does not exist or is empty, the function returns an empty list. The function returns to the data list. Okay, next we're going to talk about the write data function. It writes the given music collection data to the file. Here's how it works. The function takes a list of dictionaries called data as input. It opens the file specified by the file name variable in write mode using the with open statement. It loops through each dictionary in the data list. For each dictionary, the function creates an empty string called line. It loops through each column heading in the column headings list and adds the corresponding value from the dictionary to the lines string separated by this symbol. This one. It removes the last symbol from the line string using slicing and adds a new line character at the end. The function writes the line string to the file. The function returns to none. Next, we're going to talk about the explanation of add songs function. The add songs function prompts the user to enter the details of a new song, adds it to the music collection, and writes the updated collection to the file. The function prints the prompts to enter the song details. It defines an empty dictionary called entry to store the song information. It loops through each column heading in the column headings list and prompts the user to enter the corresponding value. It adds each value entered by the user to the entry dictionary with the corresponding column heading as the key. The function appends the entry dictionary to the data list. It calls the write data function to write the updated data list to the file. The function prints a success message to indicate that the song has been added to the collection, and the function returns to none at the end. Next, we're going to talk about the explanation of delete songs function. The delete song function prompts the user to enter the details of the songs they want to delete from the music collection, deletes the matching songs from the collection, and writes the updated collection to the file. The function prints the details of currently added music by calling the display music collection function. The function prompts the user to enter the details of the songs they want to delete by asking for the album, artist, and song title. The function loops through each song in the collection and checks if it matches the entered album, artist, and song title. If a matching song is found, the index of the song is added to the entries to delete list. If no matching songs are found, the function prints a message indicating that no matching songs were found. If only one matching song is found, the function deletes the song from the data list using the pop method with the index of the song to be deleted. If multiple matching songs are found, the function prompts the user to select which songs to delete. If the user selects to delete all matching songs, the function loops through the entries to delete list in reverse order to avoid index errors and deletes each song from the data list using the pop method with the index of the song to be deleted. If the user selects to delete only one song, the function deletes the selected song from the data list using the pop method with the index of the song to be deleted. The function calls the write data function to write the updated data list to the file. And lastly, the function returns to none as well. Next, we're going to talk about the update song functions. The update song function prompts the user to enter the details of the song they want to update, allows them to select which fields to updates the fields, and writes the updated collection to the file. It calls the display music collection function to display the current music collection. It prompts the user to enter the details of the song they want to update. It defines a variable called entries to update as an empty list. It loops through each song entry in the data list and checks whether the entered details match any of the songs in the collection or not. And after the process, it returns to the none as well. Next, we're gonna talk about the display explanation of display music collection. The display music collection function displays the entire music collection, including all fields for each song. Here's how it works. It reads the data from the file using the read data function. If there's no data available in the file, it prints a message saying no data available and returns to none. And lastly, we're going to talk about the generating playlist function. The generate playlist function generates a random playlist of a number of songs from the music collection. Here how it works. It reads all the data from the file using the read data function, shuffles the data list to generate a random playlist. It prints a prompt to indicate that the playlist is being generated. It loops through the first number of songs and it returns to them. Thank you.